Hey everyone, it's Matthew Haviland with Keller Williams Realty, and today we're in beautiful Brigantine Beach, New Jersey, one of South Jersey's best kept secrets. In this video, I'll show you what it's like to live here, share a quick update on the real estate market, and take you on a tour of an incredible home for sale at 203 Lincoln Drive. So stick around, you won't want to miss it.
A place to breathe, where my heart resides. Brigantine's magic never subsides.
Brigantine Beach offers a laid-back coastal lifestyle that's hard to beat. It's peaceful, friendly, and full of natural beauty. From the wide beaches to the quiet bay. The pros of living in Brigantine: it's easygoing, family-friendly community, great beach access, including 4x4 vehicle access at the Cove. You've got boating, kayaking, fishing, and golfing at the links. It's a short drive to Atlantic City, nightlife and entertainment. There's excellent dining like Andres, La Scala's, Beach House, and Aversa Bakery. Now, a few things to consider. It's a quieter town, especially off-season. There's limited nightlife and fewer year-round retail options. Flood insurance may be required, but many homes like the one we're touring today meet some newer elevation standards. But let's take a tour of this beautifully updated home at 203 Lincoln Drive. It just steps away from the 10th fairway at the Links Golf Course. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home offers over 2,100 square feet of living space. It's set on an 80 by 100 lot with a 20 by 40 in-ground pool, outdoor bar, gazebo, and private outdoor shower, all within a gated fence for privacy and fun. Inside, the kitchen features black stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and tiled flooring. The adjacent family room includes a cozy fireplace and sliders leading out to the pool area, perfect for entertaining. The main floor also includes a formal living room with fireplace, a dining room currently used as an exercise room, a mud room, a powder room, laundry, and a welcoming foyer. Upstairs, the primary suite has a newly renovated private bath, and 3 more spacious bedrooms share a beautifully updated hall bath. This home checks all the boxes: new roof, siding, gutters, HVAC, water heater, smart ceiling fans, tilt-in windows, and attached garage, and even walkable under-house storage. And with Brigantine's beaches, boat ramps, and restaurants nearby, you've got the best of coastal living right here.
Boats on the water, sails held high. Brigantine mornings paint the sky.
Now, let's take a quick look at the Brigantine real estate market. It's been making some waves. According to the latest report from New Jersey Realtors, the Brigantine market is heating up for single-family homes. Median sales price jumped to $830,000. That's up over 21% from last year. Homes are selling faster with an average days on market that dropped by 33%. And sellers received 100% of asking price on average. Closed sales are down, meaning it's a tighter inventory but steady demand. It's a stronger seller's market, and well-priced, well-maintained homes are moving fast. So I'm Matthew Haviland, and I specialize in helping buyers and sellers right here at the Jersey Shore. Whether you're looking for a vacation home, investment property, your forever beach house, or retirement home, I'd love to help you make your move. You can visit promptagents.com/YouTube to connect with me. And if you're ready to see 203 Lincoln Drive in person, or just want to explore Brigantine real estate, reach out anytime, and I'm here to help. And if you love great food as much as you love great homes, then you want to check out my video on the top 10 Atlantic City restaurants. I'm going to link it right here at the end of the video. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What's your favorite beach town here at the Jersey Shore? I'd love to hear from you. Maybe Jersey Shore isn't your favorite beach town. Where is it? Tell me. Love to hear from you, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.